howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. In today's video, I am sharing with you my BoxyCharm Mega Drop Shop haul. You want to see what I got? Look at this basket. This basket is full to the brim with what I purchased from the BoxyCharm Mega Drop Shop. Let's get into it and I'll show you what I got. I placed 2 orders from BoxyCharm for the Mega Drop Shop, and out of the 2 orders I have a desk full, and as you can see the basket is still full. And out of all of this stuff, 3 of these items are for me. Let me show you what I bought for myself. I bought the Flora and Curl cream conditioner and the cream shampoo because I'm trying to embrace curls. I know it doesn't look like I have any curls, but if I make it curl, it'll curl, which is crazy because I didn't know I had curls. Anyway, this is the Hydrate Me Organic Rose and Honey Conditioner and Shampoo. Cleanse curls with a softening and fortifying cream of organic rose water, Camilla, and silk for all curl types. I'm super excited because Andy Does Stuff says that this is good, so I'm gonna give it a try. So those are for me, and I got, hello, thank you. And I got the Ace Beauté Glow Essential Highlighter Palette, which I'm super excited about because I love Ace Beauté, love them. And I love highlighters. And look, holy moly, look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Let's swatch a few of them. Oh, wow. My goodness. That is so pretty. Alright, we ain't got time to be doing swatches. I got a lot of stuff here to get through. So those are the 3 items that Leanna bought for herself. Now let's look at what else I got. I got the Ace Beauté Floral Vintage Palette. Surely y'all have seen this palette. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. This palette, it's got a shade saver. I'm going to take it off because it's going to be shiny. This palette is a good all year round palette, I believe. You can use this for fall, winter, spring, and summer. It has all of the colors. I mean, look at these. Look at these pretty colors down here. Perfect for spring and summer. This is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I love this palette. I just love it. Next, I bought this Persona Identity 2 palette. I have this palette as well. I have the Persona Identity 1 and the Identity 2. Look at how pretty this one is. Beautiful, beautiful colors. The formula on these are fantastic. And then I got this Ofra Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. Look at how pretty that is. Ofra has some of the best highlighters. That highlighter there in the center is beautiful, and then you have some shades that you can use to do your eyes, and a bronzer and a blush, and even this color up here that you can't see now could be used as a a blush as well. Beautiful little palette. And then I got this Ofra Charm Your Cheeks palette, which is a blush palette. So, so pretty. Love those shades. So many different things that you can do with that blush palette, and it has shades in it that will work on lots of different skin tones. I got the Wishful Honey Balm. I love this stuff. It is so, so, so good. This is Huda Beauty, in case you didn't know. And I got the Wishful Clean Genie. I love this stuff too. It is absolutely amazing. I got a St. Lux black eyeliner. I got this Earth Arbor Aura Superfood Luminous Ampoule Sea Greens Cannabis Stavia Hemp That's what that looks like. It's so pretty. Love that green. The camera is not going to pick it up. There we go. Very pretty. Very nice. It says dive into glowing skin. Glowing. Earth Arbor is a very good brand. Love their products. I got this Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Cream Lipstick in the color Mongol. Very, very pretty lipstick. Love that. I got Estate Do Me Baked Highlighter Powder. I got Beauty Bakery Better Not Bitter Flour Setting Powder that comes in this cute little bag. It's super cute. I've had one of these. They're really nice. I got this Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer for your face. It's silicone free and it has a cooling effect. And I have this. I'm currently using it. And I love it. It works really, really well. It's a very, very unique formula, but it works really good. Love that. I got this Alginist formulated with alguronic acid. It is a triple algae eye renewal balm, and I have been using this since I got it in my BoxyCharm, and I believe that it has helped my under eyes a lot. I know my under eyes are looking a little rough today, but it's right after Memorial Weekend, and those 16-hour days back to back just about did me in, so of course my under eyes are going to be looking a little rough, but this stuff is really good. Along with that, I got some QMS Intensive Eye Repair. This is really good too. Both of these were kind of pricey. I got a Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Face Massager. I got Symbiosis London HA2 and RNA7 Hyaluronic Acid and RNA Depuffing Dark Circle Relief Eye Serum. I got Almar Pero Primero Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base Eye Primer. I got this cute little set of Luxie brushes. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know I love my little Luxie brushes. This is a cute little set of brushes, and it also comes with the cutest little sponge to like do under your eyes. And it comes in this cute little bag, in this cute little travel bag. And I got a set of Luxie sponges. It's a complete sponge set. You can bake, contour, and detail. Why did I buy all of these things, you might be asking yourself? Because I'm doing my 1,000 subscriber giveaway! Yay! I am so excited. I'm so excited. Can you tell that I'm excited? I'm just a little teeny tiny little bit excited. I'm so incredibly humbled and grateful that 1,000 of you crazy, I mean wonderful people, decided to subscribe to my channel, and I want to show my appreciation. So here's what we're gonna do. I have the Vintage Floral Palette, the Ofra Blush Palette, the Persona Identity 2 Palette, the Wishful Stuff, the Earth Arbor, the Setting Powder, the Face Primer, the sponges, the Huda Lip, all of the eye stuff. There's no way I'm going to be able to keep this. All of the eye stuff. The highlighter. This stuff. And the tools. I have all of this. And to go along with that, I have this Herbivore Blue Tansy. It is a resurfacing clarity mask. I have this Grown Alchemist body cream. I have a face mask. And I have the new Double Trouble mascara from Essence, which I have been using and I absolutely love it. Don't forget the eyeliner. I forgot the eyeliner. And I'm giving it away to show my appreciation to all of you who have subscribed and hung out with me. Not only am I giving this away, I'm giving it away twice. So there will be 2 winners. What's in this basket is a little bit different from what I showed you because the palette choices are a little bit different. And in this I have Sunday Riley Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. I have a Grown Alchemist in this too, but it's a little bit different. This is Matte Balancing Moisturizer. And I'm not sure what else I have in here different. The palettes in here are different. This one has the Ophir palette. So they're a little bit different. And there's going to be 2 winners. The first winner chosen will get to choose which bundle they want. I will probably put all of the products listed, bundle 1, bundle 2, down in the description box so that you can read over the palettes and be ready with which palette you want to pick. Bundle, not palette, which bundle you want to pick when the time comes. Let me tell you the rules for the giveaway. The rules are you have to be 18 years of age to enter, and I'll have all the rules down in the description box because I'm not going through them word for word. Obviously, you have to be publicly subscribed to my channel. If you do not know how to set your subscription status to public, there is a link to a video down in the description box to tell you how to do that. You do not have to live in the United States. I'm going to open this up international because I know that I have some international subscribers and I want y'all to be included in this. What else? You cannot hold me responsible. Once the package is in the mail, it's out of my hands. I cannot be held responsible for how it gets to you, whether it gets to you, if anything's missing or damaged. And because there are skincare products in this giveaway, you cannot hold me responsible for any reaction you may or may not have to the product. Make sure that you're testing any new skincare products on your skin before you decide to use them. My phone thinks that that's hilarious. What do you need to do to enter to win this giveaway, you ask? Well, I need you to go down below this video in the comment section and leave me a comment in the form of a complete sentence and tell me one of the many reasons why it is that you love yourself. Make sure that you type in the words "love myself," because those will be the 2 words that I use to choose 2 winners. I will choose the first winner and give them the opportunity to choose which one of the bundles they want, and then the second bundle will go to the other winner. Once I have drawn the winners, I will notify each of them by responding to their comment, and then they will have 48 hours to contact me to claim their prize. So, how long am I going to run this giveaway? This giveaway is going to run from now until the 25th of June. That is roughly 3 weeks. I know that probably seems like a long time, but I want to make sure that everybody gets a chance to see this video so that everybody gets a chance to enter into the giveaway. I really, truly do want to show my appreciation to all of you. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have 1,000 subscribers. It is very, very humbling to me. Very humbling. And I am so, so grateful to all of you for hanging in there with me. So, before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. Because that's one of the rules of the giveaway. You gotta show the like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you That makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for. Pull your makeup out and play with it, and if you don't have any, you might win this, and then you'll have some. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Christopher, you're not eligible to win. However, you're going to be here soon because I'm going to put this video up before you get here, and I have a gift for you. One of my subscribers sent me a link to something, and it was definitely you, and so I bought it. So Mama will give that to you when you get here on Sunday, okay? Mama loves you, boo.